G5
Soldier, 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 soldier.
All the pretty girls stand up. All the pretty boys stand up.
Pretty boys in the building.
Swag. This right here is my swag. Swag. All the girls are on me. Damn.
What up, y'all? This Cat Stacks, bitch. Can't really speak loud right now because Soldier Boy's in the show. Anyway, though, I'm over here at the motherfucking hotel at the Intercontinental in Buckhead, Atlanta, right across the street from Soldier Boy condo. Anyway, though, so I've been here kicking it with this motherfucker. Yo, this motherfucker's a motherfucking cokehead, yo. This nigga's been motherfucking doing dope all motherfucking day, yo. That's why nigga can't fuck me right. Fucked this nigga 3 times. The first 2 times it came 5 seconds. The 3rd time couldn't get hard, and the nigga still came. This nigga's a motherfucking cokehead, yo. Hey, yo, check this out, yo. Look at this shit, man. This nigga's a motherfucking cokehead, yo. This is funny as hell. Don't joke the salt, motherfucker.
You know about this, y'all. Go. You gonna text me?
Oh, fuck you.
You gonna call me no more?
No, you fucking not too quick. You fucking go to the studio. You bring me over here for no motherfucking reason.
I brought you over here to see you.
Alright, you saw me and then you fucking quick twice. And then you leave.
WorldStarHipHop.com.
Stupid ass.
Hey, shut the fuck up, man. I got shit to do. What you mean?
Alright, so go record in your little stupid studio. I'm not going to the studio. I gotta do my hair and I gotta do my makeup. You sure I ain't going outside looking like a motherfucking train, right?
Well, look, I'm finna go.
Alright, bye.
And call me when you get getting your hair done.
Nigga,
And I'm gonna come back.
No.
Yo, you just...
Nigga, you ain't coming back. Just like you say you was coming back before and you came like around 6 a.m.
WorldStarHipHop.com.
And then she be Soldier Boy telling lies.
Shut the fuck up.
And he told me, oh, you gonna give me some shit. Nigga, fuck you. How you gonna tell some bitch that?
Cause I'm the golden goose. I said, fuck I want.
WorldStarHipHop.com.
Okay, golden goose.
I'm gonna go.
Soldier Boy's car right now is with her hotel. Hey, but I ain't told nobody except this motherfucker.
Man, look, stop worrying about that, man.
Man, shut up. You woke me up with this shit.
Just know this. I'm from Atlanta. I got goon. I know everybody. You know what I'm saying?
Shut up.
And that's it. Just drop the shit.
Nobody know you with crazy ass Cat Stacks.
One person know because the motherfucker texted me. Well, she probably thought it was a joke. She probably ain't think you with me.
Duh, they saw me drunk.
This motherfucker said, Cat Stacks, somebody you on the way to get her. Ha 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 ha. Motherfucker just didn't know I really was on the way my crazy dumb ass to pick your ass up.
Oh, now you crazy for that?
Fucking with you, I gotta be crazy. But yeah, man, she ain't say nothing bad. She was just cracking a joke.
So she just thinks I was drunk. I look drunk in the picture.
I'm sleep, goddamn it.
Whatever.
Fuck that shit.
You gonna stay with me? And have some fun with me today? Or you gonna be an asshole and fucking dip and go to Javard's house?
I could be getting fucked up.
Stay with me. I feel better now. So I feel better now. And fuck that bitch. It wasn't no bitch in there. It was some fat fuck nigga. I remember he took that picture of me. He took 2 pictures, actually.
Oh, no.
He took 2 pictures of me, man. I remember the first time I heard it, and I was like, stop taking pictures. I wasn't that drunk. Well, a little bit. I was just sleeping. I ain't bother nobody, man. I passed out. Stay. I'm good now. Fucker. You gonna fucking dip? Cause you dumbass homeboy. Fuck your homeboy.
Pretty boy take off in 5, 4, 3, 2,